Greetings, everyone. Rusty Fixer here. In today's episode, we're going to speak with Jeff Brooks from United Technologies in East Hartford, Connecticut. Jeff will tell us about his experience with Fuss & O'Neill Manufacturing Solutions Maintenance Excellence Group. Jeff, welcome. Please tell us about your dealings with Fuss & O'Neill Manufacturing Solutions.
I had high expectations for what Fuss & O'Neill, specifically Manufacturing Solutions, was going to bring to the table, and quite frankly, they exceeded my expectations. John Kravac and his team came in with just a number of very experienced people, experienced in the same type of industry as mine, knowledge of the specific equipment that we're running, and they were to help me. And the difference between Fuss & O'Neill and most of the other vendor resources that I've used in the past is that they are a partner to the business. I feel like they're a partner to me. I can call them at any time with any issue. They respond immediately. Their network is huge. Their follow-up is almost immediate every single time.
Thank you. That's high praise indeed. Where else have you used Fuss & O'Neill?
Fuss & O'Neill is my partner. Fuss & O'Neill has provided services specifically to myself and the facilities that I've managed in environmental solutions, manufacturing solutions with my equipment and its maintenance, energy management, and just a host of other services. And so quite frankly, whenever I need a resource, a recommendation, or just more specific information that I can follow up on, I first turn to Fuss & O'Neill.
Who else have you worked with at Fuss & O'Neill Manufacturing Solutions?
John Kravac came in with another member of his team, Bob Heidock. Bob, we had a problem on a piece of equipment, a German piece of equipment that was built in Spain with Japanese controls. The challenge on that piece of equipment was huge. His team stayed with me almost around the clock with the problem we were having with that equipment until we could get it up and running and were able to support production. So they didn't leave. They had a busy schedule. They needed to go and service other customers, but instead they were committed to helping me until we could get that machine up and running. It made a difference for me. It certainly made an impact on myself, my supervision, and specifically the employees that run that equipment that realized that Fuss & O'Neill was dedicated to our success.
Jeff, do you have any specific memories that stand out from working with Fuss & O'Neill Manufacturing Solutions?
Ask me a question about some specific memories that stand out. I recently had the unfortunate experience of having to close an operation here in Connecticut. I moved into my new location up in East Hartford. Again, that's a 700-plus machine operation. Almost immediately upon my first day of arrival, we had an unfortunate fire in a plasma spray booth. That fire left us with 3,000 gallons on the water, all contaminated. It left us with a building that we needed to close down and could not perform any production in until we had that remediation cleaned up. It was 6 o'clock at night, and there was only one place that I was ever going to turn, and that was to Fuss & O'Neill. I called, I needed help, I needed somebody to manage the entire cleanup and remediation of what was left as a result of that fire. Gary Feldman, a member of the Manufacturing Solutions team, immediately responded, even after working a whole day, and he came to the facility. He was there within an hour. He took control of all of the waste removal and the remediation of the equipment and the facility. He stayed awake all night managing that process, and at 6 a.m. the next morning, I met him with the project completed, and we were able to bring our employees back into the shop and resume production.
Jeff, thank you very much. You've been a great guest, and also thank you for your insights into the help available from Fuss & O'Neill Manufacturing Solutions. Say, tune in next time for some specific interviews concerning manufacturing excellence, lubrication excellence, arc flash, and countermeasures against contamination. Until next time, this is Rusty Fixer.